First, open Photoshop and create a new project. Set the width to 18 inches and the height 24 inches. Create. Create a new layer. In color, fill Control plus Delete. Create new mask. Create new layer. Select Brush tool and brushing. And import car image. Adjust image. Like, comment, subscribe. Create text. Text layer right, click Select, Convert to Shape. Select Path Selection tool. Select the bottom half of the text and stretch it downward of that elongated. Place the text layer under the image layer. Drop the super logo in the top right corner. Change the logo color to white. Import texture to the canvas and adjust. It's set the blend mode to multiply. And dial down the opacity. Like, comment, subscribe. And new text layer, adjust and align. Thank you.